What's really interesting is I got my nickname Reverend because I've owned like probably like 50 Del Sols, and I used to like take a bus, like a Greyhound bus, all the way out to California just to buy Del Sols and bring them back here and fix them up. And my friend was like, he's like, "Yeah, you're kind of like a Reverend because you save souls." It's life-changing, you know, like you work so hard to get to like the end goal, and then to finally cross that finish line. It's very emotional. But this Del Sol is very different. I had the opportunity to buy it about almost 15 years ago. It was in New York. And this guy was selling a JDM Del Sol with a Transtop and everything. Like that was the holy grail of all Del Sols. And I had to jump on it. So I flew out, bought it, drove it back, and been building it ever since. This is something that I wanted to create. And that's why it's taken so long, because no matter what the hardship was, I wasn't going to give up on this car. It didn't matter how much money I needed to spend to finish it, it was going to be finished one day. And I'm glad that it's finally finished.